we want users not to compete for block space. So we want somehow to reserve some block space for each user. And so block space is a space in a chain of blocks. So what can we do to give users their own block space? Well, we're going to give them their own chain of blocks. And in general, linear is a system where we organize block space into an unlimited number of parallel chains of blocks that can go that can be extended independently. And in fact, we have a name for them. We call them microchains. So so now if we get into the technical details, so we are going to have a system where we have a potentially unlimited number of parallel chains of blocks, parallel microchains. But we want them to be able to interact very efficiently. We want also them to have the same level of very high level of security. And so we're going to put them in a single set of validators. That's going to be very helpful for question messaging, for reasoning about the security of the protocol. And then each validator now has all those chains that are parallel and mostly independent. And each validator can apply just usual techniques from the Web 2 called internal sharding. So the structure of a validator is going to look like a normal web system with a front end, a number of workers, and maybe a shared database. And the idea is that if you have lots of chains that are really active, really hot, you will typically put them on separate workers, and then maybe at some point you have to add workers. In this way, you can add capacity to each validator and providing a constant quality of service to every user in the linear system.